Hello and welcome to my kitchen and cookingwithdenise.com. Glad you joined us today. We're going to be roasting potatoes today. It's a very easy side dish, and yes, even you can make it. It's not hard, so why don't we give it a try? Okie dokie, let's get started. So first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 425 degrees. Next, we're going to take our potatoes, and I've chosen Yukon Gold because I don't like to peel potatoes, and I like the skins on Yukon Golds. I actually have multicolored, the purple and the regular brown today, and you're going to wash them and scrub them really good, and then dry them off, and then we're going to cut them into smaller pieces so that they will cook faster. And I'm only cooking these for myself, so I've got what we'll call 1 to 2 servings here. So, get started. I'm going to cut these in half. Oh, this guy's going bad. How did that happen? Let's cut that off and set that aside. Yucky. Let my potatoes get too old. Who would know? Okay, got that off. And so I'm going to cut these into sizes so they'll cook quickly. So that's about, 1.5 inches. That makes a nice size, and makes them cook quickly. And look how easy this is. You just cutting away, no peeling. No reason to go through all of that trouble. Then we're going to pop those into our bowl. And next I'm going to take some olive oil, and I'm going to pour about 1 tablespoon in this. If you were doing like 2 or 3 servings, you want 2 tablespoons. Stir that up so that they're all coated, and I did put too much in there. I think I put more like 2 tablespoons. But anyway, we want them coated well. And then take a baking dish. Okay, flinging things around today. And just spread your potatoes out on that baking dish. Like so. You can fling them, you can throw them across the room, no, you can throw them onto your dish, whatever makes you happy. But do spread them out so that they're not touching each other. They'll cook better. And we'll end up with really good roasted potatoes. Next, I'm going to sprinkle a little salt on these. Could have done that while they were in the bowl, but we'll do it now. And some fresh ground pepper. Again, could have done that while they were in the bowl. Okay, so now what we're going to do is stick them into the oven that's been preheated to 425 degrees, and we're going to cook these for 15 minutes. So set your timer, and we're going to pull them out and check them. Okay? Okie dokie. Here we go. So, it has been 15 minutes now, and we need to check our potatoes. We need to flip them over. I did get too much oil on mine. Oh well. Shows you that you can make mistakes and they're going to be okay. You know how that is. Oh, maybe you don't. Maybe I'm the only one that makes mistakes. No, I doubt that. But anyway, so I've got them flipped over. I want to check and see how done they are. Yeah, that's a little crunchy yet. So we're going to cook these another 10 minutes, maybe 15. You'll want to check and see how tender they are. But let's put them back into the oven. Here we go. Okie dokie. Okay, so it has been another 10 minutes. So a total of 25 minutes. And I'm going to check these. My fork goes in nicely. So they are done. We have roasted potatoes. Let's put these in the bowl and give them a taste. Looking forward to it. I like using these colorful potatoes. They add a little extra to the meal. And okay, let's give these a try. They look pretty yummy, and definitely are nice colors. Have some crunch to them. Very tasty, yes. These go along well with any side, as a side dish to most any main course. So they're so easy to make. You can also throw in other vegetables. You just want to make sure that they take about the same cooking time. We'll do another video on that though, so you can learn about those. So anyway, enjoy your roasted potatoes, and thanks for joining us. And have a good day. Okie dokie, here we go. Bye now.